Hello, fellow Catholics and administrators. Are you looking for an inspiring, invigorating, and yet relaxing professional day of development? Hi, my name is Paul Miller, founder of Creative Teaching Techniques. I love to use popular music and movies to inspire teachers and students. We know from recent research that our young people, and even many adults, are frustrated with many aspects of modern life. One of the main things they're grappling with is institutional religion. In the book Going, Going, Gone, Dr. Bob McCarty lays out the reasons for disassociation within our Catholic faith. At Creative Teaching Techniques, we have been successfully inspiring teachers to think creatively to help our students learn in new and exciting ways for over 15 years. But don't take my word for it. Listen to what other Catholic educators from around the country have said about our workshops that really feel like a retreat.
Paul is a fantastic and inspiring speaker. I'd love to see him again. This is a very unique way to teach. I truly enjoyed Paul. I can't tell you how inspiring this was. Paul, you provided us with great content, great passion, great atmosphere. Great use of technology and outside resources. I'm inspired to go beyond books to teach social justice and character formation. Thank you. I really enjoyed all the presentations of the day. I'm leaving with many ideas I'll incorporate in my teaching. Very fun and uplifting seminar. You are passionate, gifted, and amazing. This was an unbelievable seminar.
This workshop is designed for all K-12 Catholic educators, especially those who teach religion, English, social studies, and music. We use music from the Beatles, Beyonce, Bono, the lead singer of U2, Mary J. Blige, Bruce Springsteen, Bob Dylan, Tim McGraw, Elton John, Amy Grant, and Roscoe Flatts, just to name a few. We use film clips from Cinderella, 42, the Jackie Robinson story, The Lion King, The Mission, Gandhi, and several others. With each of these modern-day treasures, we make connections to our Catholic tradition. Themes of faith, hope, love, mercy, compassion, the Beatitudes, the Ten Commandments, and so much more will be explored. If you have a need for such a professional day workshop for your staff, I'd be delighted to come to your school. Feel free to contact me directly. As St. John Baptist de La Salle said to his teachers, the greatest miracle you can perform is to touch the hearts of your students with the love of Jesus Christ.